Article 415. The following are immovable property. Number 1. Land, buildings, roads, and constructions of all kinds adhered to the soil. Number 2. Trees, plants, and growing fruits, while they are attached to the land, or form an integral part of an immovable. Number 3. Everything attached to an immovable in a fixed manner, in such a way that it cannot be separated therefrom, without breaking the material or deterioration of the object. Number 4. Statues, reliefs, paintings, or other objects for use or ornamentation placed in buildings or on lands by the owner of an immovable in such a manner that it reveals the intention to attach them permanently to the tenements. Number 5. Machineries, receptacles, instruments, or implements intended by the owner of the tenement for an industry or work, and which may be carried on in a building or on a piece of land, and which tend directly to meet the needs of said industry or works. Number 6. Animal houses, pigeon houses, beehives, fish ponds, or breeding places of similar nature, in case their owner has placed them or preserves them with the intention to have them permanently attached to the land and forming a permanent part of it. The animals in these places are included. Number 7. Fertilizer actually used on a piece of land. Number 8. Mines, quarries, and slag dumps, while the matter thereof forms part of the bed, and waters, flowing or stagnant. Number 9. Docks and structures which, though floating, are intended by their nature and object to remain at a fixed place on a river, lake, or coast. And number 10. Contracts for public works and servitudes and other real rights over immovable properties. Article 416. The following things are deemed to be personal property. Number 1. Those movables susceptible of appropriation which are not included in the preceding article. Number 2. Real property which by any special provision of law is considered as personality. Number 3. Forces of nature which are brought under control by science. And number 4, in general, all things which can be transported from place to place without impairment of the real property to which they are fixed.